Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video I am going to be showing you that how you can send your money internationally on Mercury. So let's just begin. You can see basically you can send your uh, transactions money to international, like for example your family, friends or clients, and it is super simple. Now all you need to do is simply you can see we have 30 plus countries that are supported that you can send on to, so you simply need to head over to Mercury and open an account. So this is how your dashboard is going to be looking, and if you want to send, you need to click on this send option right over here, and once you do that you will be able to simply send it over to any of your desired customer, maybe if you have your family, friends and whatever. So super simple. Make sure to create your account, open it up, and then you can easily get it done. I hope this is going to be helping. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.